back, everyone. Well, in this video you're about ready to watch, we ended up going to Roads of Fun in Kansas City, Missouri on Saturday. We took my daughter and her best friend for my daughter's birthday, and I ended up riding the ELI 440 Steam Locomotive that they had out there. And I tell you what, it's narrow gauge, and it was pretty cool. It holds 400 gallons of water. Made by Crown Metal Products. So I thought that was pretty sweet. And also, I have a thumbnail that you will see here with when I took some pictures. They actually was able to, they're like, oh, don't cross the line, but I'll take your picture. They were awesome workers. Big shout out. They do a lot of hard work and keep that locomotive running. And it runs on propane. I thought it was pretty cool. And I took a picture of the placard they had there. And if you want to, I'll have it in the video and you can pause at your leisure and everything. So that's be pretty cool to read up. So much information on that. So make sure you stick around for the slideshow. Let's jump into video.
That's what I forgot. Here it is. Wave, guys, get to the engineer. Come here. Looks like it's about to disconnect. It literally looks like it's about to disconnect. I'm like, we should have like a big drive like that. And is that the timber wolf? I know if it's up, the entire thing would have to come down. What's that there? There's a wooden shack over there.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, next time we'll run down the street. Try like a wrecking ball.
You are my parents. Yeah, you have to be good. You have to be good. I love her. Bye, y'all. See you next time.
Wow, what do you think of that? Well, they had a show, like, they stopped halfway through, but I didn't record that because they were playing music, and I didn't want copyright on my channel getting blocked or anything. So, that was pretty sweet, I tell you that. But also, I got some pictures of it going by and everything when I wasn't writing it. Had a great time. I wish I was able to get more video of it, but it still made for a nice video. Also, I just want to give a big shout out. I couldn't thank you all enough. We're one away from 2,000 subscribers. I tell you what, that's awesome. Thank you, everyone. I couldn't do without all your help. Let's keep this channel growing. We're getting bigger and bigger every day. Everyone, I couldn't thank you enough. Thank you. And always, stick around for the slideshow. I have some great photos I'm going to put in there. And also, I tell you what, I will have some videos and stuff of Katie in there with it. Man, she's growing big. She's getting bigger. What a sweet pup. I love her. She's about a year old and everything. I can't believe it. It's crazy. So, always, thanks for watching and God bless. You all have a wonderful day. Sit down. Sit pretty. Yeah. Here you go, honey. Good girl. Is that good? Yeah, you want another one? There you go, honey.